Somewhere above the moon's far side, a piece of metal was falling. No pilot, no control, no way to stop it. For weeks, scientists had been watching it come, and they knew this was going to end in a crash. On March 4th, 2022, a spent rocket stage slammed into the far side of the moon. No astronauts, no cameras on board, no last transmission, just a silent impact hidden from Earth's view. But here's the strange part. For weeks, headlines called it a SpaceX rocket, a leftover Falcon 9 upper stage drifting through space since 2015. Rewind 7 years. In February 2015, a Falcon 9 launched NASA's Discover spacecraft, a satellite built to watch the sun and protect Earth from solar storms. The mission was a success. But the rocket's second stage, the part that pushed Discover into deep space, had no way home. Too much energy, too far from Earth, not enough fuel to return. So it kept drifting, silent, tumbling, forgotten. This wasn't a failure, it was physics. Rockets sent to deep space orbits don't have enough fuel to fly back to Earth. So they're left in what scientists call graveyard trajectories, long, chaotic orbits around the sun. For years, this object silently followed one of those orbits, until its path crossed the moon's. In January 2022, astronomer Bill Gray, who tracks deep space debris using software called Project Pluto, spotted something unusual. An old rocket body was on a collision course with the moon. He calculated the impact date almost to the hour, March 4th, 2022. At first, Gray identified it as the Falcon 9 stage from the Discover launch. The story spread fast, headlines everywhere, SpaceX rocket to hit the moon. But that's not the strangest part. Weeks before impact, something didn't add up. NASA scientists, including John Giorgini at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, ran the numbers again. The object's trajectory didn't quite match Discover's original path. Gray re-examined his own data and admitted he may have made an error. The object was more likely debris from a Chinese Long March rocket launched in 2014 for the Chang'e 5 T1 lunar mission. Scientists weren't fully certain either way. Space debris this old, this far from Earth, is incredibly hard to identify with certainty. Whatever it was, the impact still happened exactly when predicted. Because the crash occurred on the moon's far side, no telescope on Earth could see it live. But months later, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter flew over the site, and it found something scientists didn't expect. Not one crater, two, a double crater sitting side by side. That shape suggested the object had heavy mass at both ends, unusual for a typical rocket stage. Scientists are still not fully certain what caused it. This wasn't a mission. It wasn't planned by NASA or SpaceX. It was an accident decades in the making. And it revealed something important. We don't fully track everything orbiting near the moon. As more countries and companies launch deep space missions, more debris will drift out there. Some of it, silently, on a path back toward the moon. A rocket built to explore space became space debris. Then, without warning, it became a scientific mystery. The moon has no atmosphere to burn things up, no wind to erase a crater. Whatever hits it stays there forever. This wasn't the story we thought it was, but maybe that's exactly why it matters. If you want more real space stories, the discoveries, the mysteries, the mistakes, subscribe. Because the next mystery in space might already be out there.